South Africa's high-profile estate battle involving the late former co-president Lekota has taken a dramatic U-turn, and now the fight is heading to the Supreme Court of Appeal. The feud between Lekota's wife, Cynthia Lekota, and his alleged mistress, Luzelle Adams, is far from over. According to court papers seen by Africa Daily, Adams has now filed an appeal at the Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein, challenging a ruling that went against her in the Pretoria High Court. This means the matter is now shifting to Lekota's home province, setting the stage for yet another intense courtroom showdown. Back in March 2026, Pretoria High Court Judge Anthony Miller ruled in favor of Cynthia Lekota. The judge found that Mr. Lekota, who passed away in March at the age of 77, had been mentally incapable of managing his financial and legal affairs during the final months of his life. This ruling came after concerns were raised about over 2 million rands withdrawn from his accounts. Cynthia told the court that by January, her husband could no longer explain his finances, medical aid details, investments, or even bank account access. And perhaps most concerning, he reportedly couldn't even explain why monthly payments to her had stopped. The court also uncovered significant payments made to Luzelle Adams during the same period. This included over 1 million rands in transfers, an additional 600,000 payment, and later 150,000 transferred to herself, plus a further 250,000 paid to her lawyers from the estate. Judge Miller ruled that Adams lived with Lekota and accompanied him to medical appointments, meaning she was aware of his declining condition. Medical evidence presented in court painted a clear picture. After suffering a stroke in 2025, Lekota experienced severe cognitive decline. A specialist later concluded that from May 2025 onward, he was no longer capable of managing his affairs and needed protection. Because Lekota was married in community of property, the court also ruled that his assets formed part of a joint estate with his wife. But now, Adams is pushing back, and strongly. Her legal team argues that she was served over 700 pages of court documents less than 24 hours before the hearing. The matter was heard just 2 days after Lekota's death. She was emotionally distressed and grieving, and her request for a postponement was denied. Her lawyer also claims the High Court ignored new evidence she wanted to present, misclassified the case as extremely urgent, and wrongly allowed curators to continue despite Lekota's death. Adams is also disputing the finding that Lekota lacked mental capacity, saying she was denied the opportunity to challenge the medical aspects. Judge Miller, however, dismissed her application for leave to appeal, saying he was not convinced another court would reach a different conclusion. He also stated that Adams appeared unwilling to accept that she had no longer claim over the joint estate. She was ordered to pay Cynthia Lekota's legal costs. So what happens next? Despite the setback, Adams' legal team remains confident. Her lawyers say they believe the appeal court will deliver a completely different outcome, arguing the original ruling was flawed and unfair. The court did note one important point. Adam may still be able to claim maintenance on behalf of her minor child, but only after the estate is formally wounded up. So now all eyes turn to the Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein, where this complex battle of love, money, and legality will continue. Will the appeal court overturn the original decision, or will the High Court ruling stand? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think this appeal will succeed? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more breaking stories.